This 2023 Keystone Retreat 391 FLFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Zephyrhills, Florida, 33540 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Zephyrhills. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.